everybody, welcome back. It's Justy, and today I am super excited for this unboxing we're gonna do. I have never ever owned any ColourPop. I've heard people talk about it, I've seen all their super cute collections, but I myself have never experienced it. But finally, my time has come. My ColourPop arrived. I am so stoked for this. I've heard a lot of good things about ColourPop. It definitely has been explained to me as not like a super high-end brand, obviously, but for the price you pay, apparently it's pretty darn good. So we're gonna open it up, we're gonna take a look at everything, I'm gonna swatch some stuff. My first swatching video, guys. It's exciting. My first impression is the box is super freaking cute. Purple is my favorite color, so anything that comes in purple makes me happy. And it's got little butterflies on it. It's super adorable. I wish you didn't have to have the big ugly shipping sticker on it. Like, I recognize you have to have it. I'm not an idiot. But could you imagine how cute this would be without it? So yes, very cute outside packaging to start. It was nice and tightly secured up with tape. I had to slice it open to bring it back, obviously, as the rules go. Oh! It's even cute on the inside. Oh my god. That is adorable. Okay, we got a butt ton of bubble wrap. Also super important. Keeps everything safe. Nothing is as sad as when you open something up brand new and it's broken. That's just, it hurts. Really hurts. When you first get through the bubble wrap, we come to these two sheets of paper. The first one is, again, the same purple as the box. It says ColourPop. And on the back it says, "You light up my world." That's really cute. Oh my god. I'm kind of tempted to save this, but I know I need to not do that. Don't save things you don't need, Justine. But it's so cute. Next is the receipt, which I'm not going to show you. That's not exciting. And then we get to the products. Oh my god. If anyone thought I wasn't going to get the Frozen 2 makeup collection, you cray. I'm so excited about this. So I picked out 3 items. I have got Anna's makeup palette, Anna's lip gloss, and Elsa's lip gloss. A lot of other stuff was sold out at the time that I looked. I was buying online. And a lot of it I just wouldn't actually use too much. I did want the Elsa palette, but it was sold out, sadly. The funniest part about this, honestly, is that Steph for Christmas found me the Anna makeup palette because she too knew that I needed it. She knows me so well, so it has since been returned, but I thank her because she knows me, and had I not already purchased this, it would have been amazing. It was still amazing. It was just double amazing. I don't know. Okay, we're moving on. Let's open this stuff up. Ooh, we're trying something new. I'm closer. So first is the Anna lip gloss, which comes in this super cute box. It's got her on it looking over her shoulder as she does in the promo material. The packaging is so cute that, like, I really don't want to take them out, but I have to. It says Free Spirit at the top, which I think is the color. I can't remember. I think when I open it, it'll tell me more. Oh, this is adorable. I may keep it in the box, like use it, but keep it in the box. Oh, except I just ripped part of the box. Oh my god, this is really hard to get out without ripping. Okay, well, I completely ripped it. ColourPop, I'm not a big fan of that. Make your boxes a little easier to open, please. I want to keep them. So here is just the lip gloss. It is, in fact, the Free Spirit color. I was right. It's kind of this, like, nudie tan, I think. I don't know. What do I know about colors? But it seems really nice. This little, I don't know if it's a bottle because, I don't know, is that what you call these? The lip gloss tube is really cute. It's got decoration and designs all over it. It says Frozen 2 at the top. It's got ColourPop at the bottom. Really nice. It twists out very beautifully. I don't know what to say about that. Boop. And there it is. Oh, it's like a little brush. Usually they're like little sponges on the end. That's interesting. Okay. Alright. We'll be giving everything a swatch together, so this will just have to wait its turn. Second up, we have Elsa. Similar box, except it's blue. And she's standing on it, less wrapped around than Anna, but there's lovely snowflakes all over the place. It is the color I can't read it. I can't, it's too silver. We'll read the color on the inside. But again, beautiful packaging. I think that this is some of the most gorgeous packaging for makeup I personally have. I don't buy a lot of makeup, but you know. Let's see if I can save this one. It's not happening. Okay, am I just an idiot who can't figure out how to open ColourPop without ripping it? Because, again, whatever. Okay, here is Elsa's. I think it might be just called My Journey. I thought there was a word between the two. That's what it seemed like on the box, but I don't know, whatever. So we have got this beautiful, like, shimmery white clear. I don't know. We'll see when I put it on. With the blue lid, it has got snowflakes all over the place. Super cute again with the frozen and the ColourPop, although it's a little harder to read since the color is clear. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I assume we're going to have the same type of brush. Yeah, I think so. It's hard to tell when it's covered in makeup, but it looks like it. Stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these two babes together. Oh my god, I love them. They are so cute. I want to look at them forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Last, we have the Frozen 2 Pressed Powder Palette for Anna, which is this beautiful purple color again. My favorite color. The colors you get are called Scoochin', Wind, Earth, Adventure, Arendelle, Autumn Breeze, Warm Hugs, Fearless, and Chocolates. So very cute. It's got the design all over the place. A bunch of these are glitter and they've got some cool texture. Wow, ColourPop, you're really killing it with the packaging. But the question is, can I now open it without ripping it? Oh my god, we're good. So here she is out of the box. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. It is amazing how much nicer the, like, it almost looks like concept art. I know it's not because they use it for official promotion, but when this is on merchandise, instead of like just the cutout of them directly from the movie, I don't know how to, if you get it, you get it. But like this. Okay, just like directly cut out from the movie art. These are always so beautiful. So you have her on the front with, again, same sort of design, sparkly with some texture. It gives you all the colors again on the back. So if you don't keep that box, you don't forget your names, because I guess that's important, especially if you're making videos. Oh my god, okay. So we have a nice mirror up here, so you can see yourself as you do your beautiful makeup. And then we've got all the colors, and it's actually written again underneath what they are, which is good, because I would forget to check the back a lot. So we got lots of warm colors. I really like this gold. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with it, but wow. Some purples, a really nice white up in the corner. I'm a big fan of white, which is weird because I only ever use it in the corner of my eyes, but like, I love a nice white. I love the colors. They're so nice, and I feel like it's now like contractually obligated for me to use these when I wear Anna now, both from Frozen 1 and Frozen 2. Like, I feel like I just have to. So far I am super happy with the colors, with the presentation, with the unboxing, other than the fact that they rip. But I'm super happy thus far. So let's swatch everything and see how that goes. So the eyeshadow I'm going to do on my arm, but I feel like that's weird for lip gloss. I don't know. So we're just going to put it on my lips. I took off what I had on, so let's do this. Okay, is it weird to see just my lips? I'm sorry. I also probably have very terrible swatching lips because they're so small. But here we go. Let's do Anna first. Oh my god, it smells so good! That's amazing! So I had to put quite a bit on to get any sort of color difference. You know what? I should have my ring light out for this. 1 second. Editor Justine would like to apologize because apparently I just didn't do the entire next part of Anna's lip gloss, which means I was talking to nothing. It wasn't even recording. So to very quickly sum it up, it tastes very weird even though it smells good. I did not get a lot of color out of it. It mostly just looked kind of tinted brown and a little shimmery. So if you're looking for something like that, it works, but if you want a lot of color, don't go this route. It is incredibly sticky. My wig started sticking to my lips right away, and you'd probably have pretty much anything stick to it, especially since you have to put so much to get any sort of color. So not my absolute favorite lip gloss. I probably won't use it super often, but if you're looking for something that's a little more natural, and maybe if your lip color is a little bit different, it might work better for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, this definitely gives you a very glittery lip. On camera, it kind of just looks glossy like the last one, but in person, like it's glitter in the gloss. You can definitely see it. No color or anything, which is pretty much what I expected from this. But I like it. It's very pretty. I think it would be good on top of other things, which is probably what it's meant for. Like you put on one kind of basic color and then you glitter it up afterwards. So I like it. I like it a lot better than the Anna, sadly. Sorry, Anna. But this is really nice. I like glitter. I'm a glitter person, so I will definitely find a lot of uses for this one. Or the Anna, I probably won't use quite as much, which is sad, but sometimes it be like that, you know? All right, I've rolled up my Neapolitan sleeve. I have never done a swatch like this, so forgive me if it's not great. I don't really know the best way to go about this. I feel like this isn't it, but here we go. So that was Scooching. You can't even see it. You kind of can. Okay, let's do another pass, shall we? I only know that word from other YouTubers. Okay, yeah, you got some shimmer there. There it is. It's kind of nice. It's definitely something for the corner of your eyes or for on top of another color, but it's cute. Here we're going with Wind. That's a nice color. I like that. Blendable, as people might say, I suppose, who knew what they were doing. Should have brought a paper towel for my thumb. All right, here's Earth. Ah, that is a nice gold. I like that. It shimmers a lot. You're definitely going to need to like go in for a couple different passes when you do this, but they're not bad. They're not like horrific with just one touch, you know? Adventure. There. You can see that one. Very nice. Oh my god. Look at that. That is a nice glitter. I am excited to put that on my face. Now I do an Autumn Breeze. Ooh, a much darker purple. I can't draw straight lines, but I like that a lot. Warm Hugs. Nice. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it, which I like. Fearless. Ooh, okay. Another kind of darker peachy color. It's nice. I like it. And our last one. Oh, it's Charades. It's not chocolate. It's Charades. Boom. There they all are. The last one is a nice brown. I don't know if I'll use that as much as some of the other ones, but overall, very nice. Palette survived really well through all of that too. Not a lot of fallout or stuff going everywhere, so that's really nice. I did not expect the glitter one to go this hard, but oh, am I stoked about that. But honestly, I like all of these colors. I get a little afraid to use darker colors, so these ones will make me nervous, but I want to try them. I do really love these ones. They're very nice, and obviously I like the gold. I've said that. But overall, I am just incredibly happy with this palette. I love these colors, and I love the quality of they've come out on my arm. I know it'll be a little different on my eyes, but this is at least a good indicator. Thank you, ColourPop. All right, and that is it for the ColourPop Frozen 2 makeup collection. I am super happy with my purchase. I will definitely use the eyeshadow. I'll use the Elsa every once in a while when I'm feeling fancy. On a lip gloss, we'll see. I don't know, maybe I'll find some use for it. But right now it definitely seems like the least likely, as beautiful as the packaging and everything was. I just don't have a lot of use for sticky, slightly brown lips. I don't know. Who knows? I'll let you know if I come up with something great. Thank you for coming on this Frozen 2 journey with me. I had a lot of fun. I am excited about ColourPop, and I would definitely like to get more of their fun collections in the future. I don't think I'd get just like regular ColourPop makeup. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but you know, I can buy makeup anywhere. But when they release stuff like this, I'm into it. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!